Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got from this basic to this Instagram body right here. So if you guys want to see the transformation of this look right here, you already know what to do. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Like, comment, share, and don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified every single time that I upload a new video on my YouTube channel. And that's for the day. Let's go ahead and start with the video. Okay guys, as usual, I'm gonna start with my hair, and as you guys saw in the intro, I have a ponytail, and that's what I'm gonna be dealing with right now. I'm gonna try to detangle my hair, brush it, straighten it with my hot comb, do everything I can to detangle this hair right here. My hair is really dry and I don't know why, and then I burn myself. So let's move on, and after that I'm gonna be taking small pieces of hair in front of my hair. I'm gonna be using those pieces later on as my baby hair, and I'm using this brush right here that I got from a beauty supply. Right now I'm applying my glue, and I'm using my got2b glue as usual. I love using this glue to do my ponytail, to do my wigs, like basically for everything, because it's amazing. That's how I like it. And after that I'm gonna apply my freezing spray from got2b as well, and I'm gonna slay everything down and make sure that everything looks nice and slay. I already have videos how I do my ponytails and buns on my YouTube channel already. If you haven't watched it yet, what are you waiting for? I'm gonna list them down below in the description box, so make sure to check them out. And right now I'm doing my edges, as you guys can see, and it's very simple. I don't really do too much on my edges. I just do like simple normal edges as a normal girl would actually do, and that's what I'm doing right now. And after that I decided to go with my leave-in conditioner, because my hair was really dry at the end, like what I told you guys at the beginning. And I'm gonna apply that to kind of like have my hair looks nice and it smell nice as well. And I'm gonna brush everything, and after that I'm gonna put it in a bun just for now, because I'm gonna leave it like that while I'm doing my makeup. Okay girls, so I'm gonna start with my face, and I'm using my face primer, and I'm priming my face, so make sure to prime your face. And now I'm gonna use my foundation, and I'm using this Magical foundation. This is one of my favorite brand, and I really love it. And then when I start to blend my foundation out, I realized that it was light, and then I tried to mess it up with my Sephora foundation, and it was too much orange. And honestly at this point I just leave it like that. Like basically this is what I have to deal with it every single time I do my makeup. So yeah, now I'm just gonna focus on contouring my face and trying to fix every mistake that I made. And yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm using this Makeup Revolution creamy contour palette, and honestly I was so in love with it. It was actually my first time using this palette right here. Now I'm gonna use my concealer, and I'm gonna conceal every single part of my face that I like to conceal, as you guys can see. And then with my beauty blender I'm gonna blend everything out. Like when I say everything, I mean it. So after blending my concealer, I decided to go ahead and use my citizen powder and set my entire face. But I didn't like it too much because the citizen powder was looking too much like, it was a little bit kind of like orange, so I didn't like it too much. So I'm gonna focus now on my eyes, because I'm more excited to do my eyes than the rest of my face. And I'm using this beautiful shape right here. Actually I missed two shapes to get this beautiful shape right here, as you guys saw on the video, and honestly I really love it. I was so in love and impressed. And then I decided to go with this peachy shape that I decided to apply on my crease, as you guys can see. Like literally at this point I still don't know what look I was trying to go with. Like that's how I do my makeup. I know what look I'm gonna do until the end of my makeup. So yeah, I'm just gonna focus now on my crease and applying this bronze shape right here. It's kind of like dark brown, and then I decided to go with black and do kind of like a smoky wing. And I was like, should I do black, should I do a brown wing? And I was like, I'm just gonna do black because I love black, and I was so lazy to do brown honestly. And that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm using this small blending brush right here to blend everything out. And I'm using also a little bit of brown eyeshadow, and I really love how this eye makeup turned out. Like it was so beautiful, everything was on point, everything was perfect, until I realized that it was so boring. Let's be honest, that was so boring. So I decided to pop it out with a little bit of color underneath of my eyes, and that's why I'm using red. Like this was kind of like the cherry on top of the cake. it was on point. I really love it. And now I'm using my mascara. I already have my falsies on and I'm so in love with this look. And then I'm gonna go back to my face and I'm gonna take any excess of eyeshadow that I have on my face, and then I'm gonna bronze my skin as crazy as usual. If you guys are my OG subscriber, you guys know that I love bronzer and I always go crazy with bronzer. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now, as you guys can see. And then I'm gonna apply one of my favorite blush. I really love this blush. I think it's from NYX Cosmetic, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, like how I said at the beginning, every single product that I use on this video gonna be listed down below, so don't worry. Now I'm doing my lips, and as you guys already know, I always go with nude lips, so I'm gonna do the same thing here on this video. And I'm using this Maybelline lipstick, and honestly I really love it. And then I'm gonna use another random lipstick on top, and basically that's all about this look. And seeing it's me, you guys know that I'm so indecisive, so I didn't like my hair the way that was looking, so I decided to add a little extension at the end. And honestly I really love it. Basically that's the final result. As you guys can see, I really love this look. I love how everything turned out. Let me know in the comment below what you guys think. Please comment. It's so important that you guys comment, and also let me know what you guys think about this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. And one more time, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet.